Hallo alle miteinander and hello everyone. So today's video is all about languages, people and countries. So I'm going through various languages, people and countries to help you along with what you call the different people. Also wie man die verschiedenen Leute, Länder und Sprachen nennt. Also, los geht's. Länder, Leute und Sprachen. Now, as before, it would be great to repeat after me. Let me just give you a couple of countries. So, das Land, die Länder is the country. Now, these are just a few. Deutsch, and basically just repeat after me again. It's great exercise. Deutschland, England, Holland, Italien, Griechenland, Frankreich, Belgien, Spanien, Irland. Let me repeat them one more time, just good for pronunciation. Deutschland, England, Holland, Italien, Griechenland, Frankreich, Belgien, Spanien, Irland. And let me give you a couple of countries which have a feminine gender, a masculine gender, or are in the plural. So first of all, countries with a feminine gender. Die Schweiz, die Türkei. There are a few more, but I just thought to mention two here. So die Schweiz, die Türkei. A couple of countries with a masculine gender. Der Irak, der Kongo. Countries in the plural. Die USA or die Vereinigten Staaten. Und die Niederlande. Yeah, I'm just going to say them again a little bit slower and just repeat after me. Die Schweiz, die Türkei, der Irak, der Kongo, die USA, die Niederlande, die Vereinigten Staaten. Well done. And now we're talking about Leute. Die Leute, the people. Similar to the countries, just have different endings, and there's always a male and a female. Usually females have an IN at the end. As you can see, the German does not. So I would say, if you repeat after me again, der Deutsche, die Deutsche, der Engländer, die Engländerin, der Holländer, die Holländerin, der Italiener, die Italienerin, der Grieche, die Griechin, der Franzose, die Französin, der Belgier, die Belgierin, der Spanier, die Spanierin, der Ire, die Iren. Fantastisch. Yeah, and now as a third part, the languages. Notice that the languages always have a capital letter. It's the name of the language. Also know that if you're using Deutsch or English as an adjective, like die deutsche Sprache, all adjectives have a small letter that do not start with a capital. So here we come. These are the Sprachen, die Sprachen, and they all have capital letters at the beginning. And again, repeat after me. It's a great exercise. Deutsch, Englisch, Holländisch, Italienisch, Griechisch, Französisch, Belgisch, Spanisch, Irisch. Let's just do it one more time. Deutsch, Englisch, Holländisch, Italienisch, Griechisch, Französisch, Belgisch, Spanisch, Irisch. That's brilliant. Well done. So we were talking about Länder, Sprachen und Leute. Or actually Leute, Länder, Sprachen. Länder, Leute, Sprachen. One way around. But fantastic. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Ich hoffe, euch hat das Video gefallen. And you've learned all about how you would call the people, the countries, and the languages. And in the next video, we're actually going to talk about how you're applying these. So where do you come from? I come from. So woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus. Ich bin Deutsche, ich spreche Deutsch. You know, I am German, I speak German. So all the different variations of language, of questions and answers to do with where you're coming from and where somebody is from. So anyway, we'll see you in the next video. All the best. Bis dann. Tschüss.